Yes. Okay. Live and direct in Stratford.
Yes, sir.
Live and direct in Stratford.
Yes, sir.
Where we are going to be creating
awareness
for
the people
for the October 1st rally that is coming up right here in United Kingdom.
Yes.
This is one out of so many places that we're going to be visiting within the next 6 or 7 weeks to bring awareness directly to those living in United Kingdom for the biggest rally of mankind, of the Yoruba people and the Igbo people coming up October 1st. We have leaflets that we're going to be giving right here. I'm going to turn the camera around to you to see those kind of leaflet that we have. As you can see there, it says Oduduwa, attention, attention. Oduduwa Nation rally. We all call on all Yoruba people to join us on October 1st at the Nigerian Embassy, London at 9 a.m. in the morning, going to the Prime Minister's office to deliver our petition letter for Oduduwa Nation.
Yes, sir.
For more information, you can contact Koike on 075 94 050 979.
Yes, sir.
You can also contact Bedu on 077 93 017 688. Oduduwa, and you can sign the petition and the poll. This is what we're going to be distributing right here in Stratford. Let me bring the camera back to my face. We are not joking. We are not joking at all. We mean business.
Yes, sir.
We will tell the world what is wrong in location 9.
The police is working around.
We will tell the world that Nigeria is not working.
Yes, sir.
But we need them first to come out. It is not about sitting down in our house and talking about Oduduwa. We must come out and tell the world that October 1st, we want to do a peaceful rally. A peaceful rally just around the globe.
Yes,
the rally will take place in the United Kingdom. It will take place in Germany, in France, in America, in Canada, in Japan, in Libya, in Nigeria. Ibikibiti Omokaro Jireba Gwa. Rally yẹn máa ṣẹlẹ̀ níbẹ̀. A fẹ́ jẹ́ kó yé wọn sẹ́ pé ìyà tí ọmọ káàró òjíire ń jẹ is enough.
It's enough.
We are not interested in Nigeria.
No.
Let them keep Nigeria.
It's not working.
Okay, Bedu is calling me. Let me pick his call.
It's not working.
Hello, Bedu.
My father served them. My great-grandfather served them. My grandfather served them. I'm serving them at the moment. My children will never serve them. Let's die for our children. Let's die for our children. Let's die for our children.
Ìwọ tó ń sọ pé Nigeria ń ṣiṣẹ́, ó jẹ́ tètè mọ̀ pé Nigeria ò ṣiṣẹ́. It is not working. Nigeria is not going to work. So do not deceive yourself. Do not be intimidated. Nigeria will shut down. But before we shut it down, we must tell the global community why we need to bring it down peacefully.
Yes, sir.
Why we must tell the world
that
the genocide tẹ́ ń pa àwọn èèyàn lójoojúmọ́ ó wá tó gẹ́ sórí jẹ́ fi kámẹ́rà yẹn kí n tọ́nà ẹ̀sẹ̀ sórí gbogbo leaflet yẹn sórí leaflet yẹn we have them in more than 10,000. This will be going around the country.
Yes.
We are not joking.
Yes.
We mean the business
here.
We mean the business. We mean the business.
We have to go.
Nigeria cannot hold us into ransom.
We are in ransom.
They cannot hold us into bondage.
We are in bondage already.
Nigeria needs to shut down so that the lives of the meaningful of every people can become so meaningful like those here. I give you that. I give you that.
We have to live good. We have to live good. Yes, we cannot continue serving the Fulani.
Fulani will not be served.
The meaning of Nigeria is Fulani.
Can you tell me the meaning of NNPC?
Northern National Petroleum Corporation. That's why they laid the pipe from the Niger Delta to Kaduna. Why they don't let the pipe to Enugu? Why the pipe doesn't go to Lagos? Why no pipe go to Lagos? Why no pipe go to Enugu? Why no pipe go to Ebonyi? Why no pipe go to Imo? Why no pipe go to Ile-Ife? Why is only Kaduna? Fulani is a Nigerian. We are not Nigeria. The Southerners are slaves. Remember, they came to that country in 1804. They are intruder. They are invader. They are thieves. And British know what they are doing. They gave it to them. They did give it to indigenous of Nigeria. Hausa is indigenous of Nigeria. Yoruba is indigenous of Nigeria. Igbo are the indigenous of Nigeria. But they didn't give it to any one of us. They give it to a foreigner like them because they know what they are doing to manipulate us, to marginalize us, to do what they are doing to us today, to kill us. You understand? You cannot get a job. You're a Southerner in Nigeria. How many Fulani are looking for a job? Tell me, did you see anywhere Fulani is agitating that we don't get job? The job is ready for them. What is the meaning of quota system? Quota system is weak against strong. How can a president doesn't go to school be leading the people, be leading a PhD holder? Oshibajo is an extra tire. It's be happening. Abacha didn't go to school. Buhari didn't go to school. Shagari didn't go to school. Atiku didn't go to school. Atiku is the one that collected Nigeria Port Authority money. Wake up. That's why Obasanjo says Atiku has the money to feed 400 million people for 100 years. Can you imagine? Wow. Even Nigeria just over 200 million, according to their statistic. And that is not the true figure. Why that national ID card is not working? Fulani don't want you to know their number. They don't want us to know the number of the North people. Why sensor is not working? Wake up, wake up, wake up. Why are they killing them in Borno? Because Borno is only place they didn't conquer. When they conquer Sokoto, conquer Kaduna, conquer Kano, Borno refused to conquer them. That is why they give the problem to Borno people. They give the problem to Borno people because why? When the jihadists are coming, they don't want Borno people to disturb them. Borno is not Fulani. Are you with me? Borno is not Fulani. Why are they killing them in Middle Belt? They are killing them in Middle Belt because they want to pave a way. Because they want to come to the south. They want to come to Yorubas. They want to come to Igbos. Wake up. Wake up. We cannot be slave, and our children be slave too. In our own country. Fulani is a colonial master again in our own country. When Mandela came to Nigeria, he said, oh, I can't believe there's a black man colonization in black Africa, Nigeria. And he referred to Fulani. Are you with me? Yeah, yes. Fulani are bastard. Fulani are bastard. Fulani are bastard. Fulani are bastard. They are not part of us. We need to chase them. We need to kill them like Rwanda and Rwanda. We need to kill the cockroach. We need to chase the cockroach away. Fulani are cockroach. Believe me or not, Fulani are cockroach. There's no light. There's no education. Because they use the same ideology they use for Manjeri to suppress everything that Awolowo did for us before the man died. Our education is not working in the south. Our education is not working in the south. Our health is not working in the south. They want it like that because they don't want us to live in peace. Because when we have a peace, we will chase them. That's why they are doing what they are doing. They are using divide and rule. Why there is no Southerners? Why there is no Igbo or Yoruba as a control general of custom since the day that he established custom? Even Obasanjo cannot change it. He cannot put a Southerners there. Are you with me? Even Jonathan cannot change it. He cannot put Southerners there. Shoneko cannot change it. He cannot put Southerners there. Aguiyi cannot do it. He cannot put Southerners there. Even at all. If they say they want to give the president to the south, they will give it to the puppet with a gun in his head. The man will serve them as well. And they only give it to their people. They don't give it to us. We have to go. What is we have to go? We have to go. We have to go. We have to go. Wake up, my people. Wake up, Yorubas. Wake up, Igbos. Enough is enough. We have to go. Thanks to Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu is a true leader. Nnamdi Kanu is a true leader. Igbo, wake up. Yoruba, wake up. Hey, thanks to Professor Akitoye. He's a true leader. This is our national hero. Tinubu is an idiot. Tinubu is an idiot. Tinubu is an idiot. You cannot have the legacy of Awolowo. No way you can ever have the legacy of Awolowo. They say you win election throughout all Yoruba land. Then what is the purpose of winning election throughout Yoruba land? And you don't love Yoruba people. You don't support Yoruba people. You don't do what Yoruba want. Thank you very much. My people, wake up. You have to wake up now. We are going. Either by force or by peace. We are going.
If we get into a new nation, what are we going to be expecting?
When we get to a new nation, be expecting everything. Be expecting everything. No problem. What is the meaning of a nation? You have to speak the same language. You may have different religion. It doesn't matter. But you have to speak the same language. That is a nation. In a nation that you have 3 different languages, it cannot work. Every ethic, they are protecting their interests. Are you with me? Look at the ministers of education. Due to the coronavirus, he spent close to 1 billion naira feeding the children that doesn't go to school. Are you sick? Can't you open your eyes? During the coronavirus, a minister of education is a Fulani woman. He told us he feed the children school. Feed, give them food. And he spent almost 1 billion naira. Can you believe it? When nobody go to school. We had enough. We have to go. We are going. Either they like it or not. Let me remind you, they are giving the president to Yoruba. It's a lie. So we have to go. We have to go. We have to go. They tell lies all in Nigeria. No electricity, no light, no health service, no infrastructure, no economy. Are you with me? What are we doing there? 60 years, nothing happened. It's only them that benefit in Nigeria. When they stole the money, nobody challenge them. Even when you challenge them, what is going to happen? They will pardon their brother. They will pardon their brother. How many armed robbers is a Fulani that they display on the telly? How many kidnappers they display on the telly? That is Fulani. There's always Yoruba and Igbo. But what about the Fulani? Where is bandits? Where are the people that are killing Christians? Where are they? Are they not there? Are they not Fulani? Why they not display Fulani people that are killing us, that are in the bush, that are disturbing our agriculture, that are disturbing our people, that are kidnapping the king and queen, that are kidnapping our children? Did you see them displaying them? No. So enough is enough. We have to go. We are going. We know how to handle Fulani. Believe me, when we start this war, Fulani, they will run. They are minority. What is the concept of democracy? Is the minority to rule? Is minority to rule? Is majority to rule minority? But in a democracy where you have minority ruling majority, then there's a problem. We're going to kill them. They are cockroach. They are cockroach. They are killing us already. You can see they are killing us already. They kill our daughter. They kill our son. They kill our father. They kill our brother. Are you with me? Are you with me? Even Hausa too are going through the same problem. Hausa is different from Fulani. Are you with me? Fulani are intruders. Fulani are thieves. Fulani are invaders. Fulani are foreigners in Nigeria. That's why they are doing what they are doing. El-Rufai is a devil that you have in Nigeria. You have to kill El-Rufai. If you don't kill El-Rufai, El-Rufai is the one that sponsors Boko Haram. El-Rufai is the one that sponsors bandits. El-Rufai is the one sponsor that the henchmen. They bring idea. They want Roga. What fucking Roga? What fucking Roga? It's to enslave you. They have enslaved my grandfather. They have named my great grandfather. They have named my father. They are enslaving me as well. But you will never enslave my children. I will fight to my last breath. You will never enslave my children. Thank you. We have to wake up. Wake up, Yorubas. Wake up, Biafra. Wake up, Igbos. Wake up, Oduduwa. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. When we gain this freedom, you see all the people that are working for them in Yoruba land or Igbo land, they will run to exile. They will run to exile. We are in exile now. It's going to be reversed. We will be in Nigeria. Them too will run to exile. If they don't run, they cannot be part of our government when we win this battle. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up.
Thank you very much. Once again, we are live at Stanford station, where we are distributing numbers of flyers that have been printed towards the October 1st rally here in United Kingdom. A lot of people might be comfortable here, but you have to remember that home that you think you will go in December and you don't know what will happen to you. It might be like a child's play, but the journey starts today. The journey started yesterday. We have been a slave for more than 6 decades. It is time now that we tell them that enough is enough. The Yoruba people will no longer be part of the contraction called Nigeria.
And the Igbo people. And
you must be prepared to engage when the time comes. What we are doing now is what is called the diplomacy, the peaceful rally that is coming up on October 1st, engaging with different international community, speaking to people.
Yes.
But at some point, all that will put a full stop to it, and we will definitely activate.
Yes. We will get Oduduwa. We will get Biafra. Big up Biafra. Big up Oduduwa. We're going to win this battle. Don't be afraid. Some will die, some will live. What is the purpose that you cannot die for your children? Why you cannot die for your children? Wake up and die for your children. Let be the end of enslaving us. Die for your children. Wake up Biafra. Wake up Oduduwa. We have to go. Nothing is working in Nigeria. Nothing is working. Since Awolowo gone, they mess up the Southwest education, they mess up Southwest health service, they mess up Southwest infrastructure, they mess up everything. They mess up Southwest economy, they mess up Southeast economy, they mess up Southeast education, they mess up Southeast. They mess up Southeast education, economy, health service. Our people are not enjoying. Be budgeting for a nation, and you don't know how many people that are living in that country. Can you imagine? So they are budgeting for themselves. Fulani are budgeting for themselves. Every year, budgeting is copy and paste. It's copy and paste. The president's speech is copy and paste. It's copy and paste. How are you doing the budgeting? You don't know how many people live in the country. Does that make sense to you? You cannot trace anybody. Even the Mr. President cannot trace himself. Because Fulani ideology is about corruption. It's about bribery. They know what they are doing. They put their people in every strategic post. Tell me, you want to tell me Nigeria belongs to only them? It's a big lie. It belongs to every one of us. And Nigeria is dead. Don't talk about Nigeria. Nigeria is gone. Nigeria is dead. Nigeria is dead. Nigeria is far gone. We are not part of it no more. We cannot be part of it no more. We want to go. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. We want to go. If you don't let us go in peaceful way, we will go by force. We will kill you and kill your children too. Fulani, when we start this, you cannot handle it now. How many fights you don't fight up? We always win you. Even when you call on jihad, we defeat you. Ibadan people rise up, Ijebu people rise up, Abeokuta people rise up, we defeat you. Remember, we fought jihad with you before, we defeat you, and we continue defeating you. Kò ní ta fún yín, ẹ̀yin ọmọ àlè, olórí burúkú olóṣì, ẹ̀yin invader, ẹ̀yin olè. Ìjọ́ wo lẹ dé? 1804. If you want the structure, return the throne back to the original owner of the north. The north belongs to Awusas, not Fulani. You see, when Babangida finished his regime, they rendered Babangida useless because Babangida is not Fulani. Are you with me? Are you with me? Yes, it's not part of Kaba. They rendered the man useless. Are you with me? So wake up. We have to go. We have to go. We want Oduduwa Nation. We want Biafra Nation. We want Biafra is our brother. Biafra is our brother. We are the same people. Fulani is not part of us. They are intruder. They are invader. They are thief. They are armed robber. No problem. But we are fighting for you and your children. And we'll continue doing it. Bedu lama. Bedu lama. Bedu fẹ́ wàhálà. Ìjà wà. Everyday ló ń pa wá. Everyday ló ń pa wá. Àwa kan máa pa yín gbẹ̀yìn. Everyday ló ń pa wá. A máa pa yín. A máa pa yín. Gbogbo àwọn ológun ọmọ wa ẹ̀ ń pa wọ́n. A máa pa yín o. Kò ní dá fún yàrá Fúlàní. Kò ní dá fún Buhari. Kò ní dá fún gbogbo àwọn tó ń pera wọn ní Kaba. Let me come back o. Mélòó ni Kaba? Kaba ò ní ṣoríire. Ẹ̀yin nǹkan tó bá fojú Gàmbàrá rí wò kò election lè hó làwa sọ fún yín nǹkan tó bá fojú ẹ máa sá lọ ẹ máa méré báyìí a máa gbé àìsàn lé yín lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀yin Haúsá a máa gbá àìsàn lé yín lọ́wọ́ a máa gbá àìsàn lé wúrẹ́ yín lọ́wọ́ a máa gbá àìsàn ládìyẹ yín lọ́wọ́ a máa gbá àìsàn lé màálù yín lọ́wọ́ a máa gbá àìsàn lẹ́ran yín lọ́wọ́ ẹ máa sá lọ ni ẹ máa sá kàbàkàbà kò ní dáa fún yín. gbẹdú lọ́wọ́ ojúkojú lè nì. ṣé kí ni yín record. ó máa kọ́ ogun ẹ̀fẹ́ wa náà lórí ẹ̀yin kí àwa ti sign my last blood I will fight for my people. kì í ṣe ogun alámájà àmọ́ nà but àwọn àtàfẹ́ jẹ ẹjẹ àjà ẹ support wa ẹ donate owó àwọn òrìṣàlẹ̀ wa a máa jí gbogbo wọn dìde from one city to another in Yoruba land. All our idols we going to wake them up. èyí tó ń gbẹran a máa fún lẹ́ran èyí tó ń gbẹ̀yàn a máa fún láwùsá a máa pa Haúsá fún ẹgbẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹgbẹ́ kan tí mo wí èyí tó ń gbẹ̀yàn a máa fún lẹ́yàn Haúsá la máa pa fún a máa pa Fúlàní fún Fúlàní la máa pa wọ́n máa dìde wọ́n máa jà ìwín máa bá yín jà gbogbo ẹ̀ máa bá yín ẹ̀yin kẹ̀ ẹ̀ lè wí ní wa ẹ̀ tó bẹ̀ ẹ̀yin kẹ̀. Yorùbá dìde ọmọ káàárọ̀ oòjíire dìde ẹ má sùn kò sí bẹ̀rù a máa ròyìn lágbára ẹ má wọ́ọ̀rì nígbà tí ọmọ Egypt gbógun tí àwọn ọmọ Ísírẹ́lì níjọ́ kínní Ọlọ́run ní kó pa ẹyọ kó fi ẹ̀jẹ̀ sí ara lé wọn ó ní tóun bínú òun bá ń bọ̀ ó ní kò ní dọ́dọ̀ wọn ó ní gbogbo àwọn ọ̀tá wọn lòun máa pa ẹ má wọ́ọ̀rì a máa ró ogbó yín lágbára a máa ró ogbó yín lágbára. Gbogbo àwọn òòṣà wa máa dìde we are idols worshipper and we proud of it. Up Oduduwa Nation, up Biafra. How are you my sister? Are you Nigeria? It's okay. Màmá tí tó lọ́lé ẹ̀yin là ń jà fún ẹ̀yin là ń tẹ̀bà wá ẹni káwọn ọmọ yín wá ọlọ́pàá ò ní mú wa sílẹ̀ ó yẹ kẹ́ wà á lé kẹ́ máa gbádùn nínú oòrùn òtútù máa tó dé nsìn ẹ máa wọṣọ mẹ́jọ pọ̀ ẹ má wọrí àsìkò tó a máa gbòmìnira kò ní tàfí aláya Fúlàní kò ní tàfí aláya Buhari tayinska kò ní tàfí ìyá ẹ ìwọ wo a máa pa àwọn ọmọ ẹ a máa lé Fúlàní kúrò Nàìjíríà pátápátá we are not part of that useless Nigeria no we have to go kò sí kan tó ń jẹ́ Nàìjíríà Fúlàní nìkan lórí ra wọn ní Nàìjíríà wọn ò rí Yorùbá wọn ò rí Igbo ní Nàìjíríà so wake up my people you have to wake up Oduduwa come to stay Biafra come to stay. Hello sir, how are you sir? We are in Stanford station live. You can see this is a civilized city. Nobody challenging us. Nobody pushes us around. No police with gun. You see a civilized city. This is how we want Oduduwa to be. We don't want it to be like that Nigeria you are talking about. We want it to be like this, a peaceful nation where everybody is enjoying, where everybody is contributing. Yes, that's how we want it to be. Ipe nípa yín ẹ fi gbàgbé sí ẹ wá a máa jà o àníjà àwọn kan tí ń pìpì àjà fún wa Koiki fún wa yẹn. How you doing my brother in red, how are you? October 1st rally at Nigeria Embassy. Anybody can join us. We want Oduduwa Nation. We want Biafra Nation. We want to be free. We want to live like a human being. We want to stop living like an animal. They are treating us like an animal in our own land. They are killing us like animals in our own land. And the rest of the world, they keep quiet like they don't see nothing. There's a war in the north. There's a war in Kasai. They are killing people in South Kaduna. They are killing people in Borno. Are you with me? Nigeria is a fraud. We want our nation. Nigeria is a fraud. We want our own nation. We want Oduduwa Nation. We want Biafra nation, our brother. We are together in this race. How are you doing? How are you doing? You want to live like Englishman. You want to live like English woman. You want to live like British people. You want to have a peace where everything is working. Nothing is working in Nigeria. Nothing is working in Nigeria. Wake up, there's a war in Nigeria. They are killing us like a chicken. And the rest of the world, you keep quiet. Like you don't know what is happening. Oh my God, we will fight for ourselves. We will liberate ourselves. Thank you. Well, yes, I like it. We'll be live in Peckham tomorrow. Live in Peckham tomorrow. 70% of Yoruba live in Peckham. We will be in Peckham. Nishe, Enike. Togun na Abayinja. Togun. Remember, we don't have a gun. We have voodoo. We have voodoo. We have idols. We have spirit that can fight you. Ìtẹ́jẹ́ Yorùbá ẹ má ṣe yẹn. Oh, wow, okay. Yes, my brother. Yes, my brother. How you doing? Yes, my brother. Thank you. Just read about it. You are welcome. Sister me back in it. It's our fight. Our fight is your fight. Let's get out of that construction nation called Nigeria. A deceiving nation called Nigeria. A fraud nation called Nigeria. Buhari is a useless man. Buhari is vegetable. They are marginalized us. They are killing us every day. The rest of the world pretend that they don't see what is happening. Go and check on the Google. Go and check on the YouTube. They are killing Nigerians. They are killing Yorubas and Igbos every day. They are killing Igbos and Yorubas every day. They are killing Hausas every day. Oh, Oduduwa, oh Biafra. Oh Biafra.
Join us October 4th. We are doing our rally today. The transfer.
Hello, baby.
We are free in transport.
Hello,
we are
beautiful.
doing what we are doing. Join us. If you are living in Stratford, you'll be here for 1 hour. Join us. We are free. You see? We mean business. We are not joking. We want our Yoruba land.
We want our land. Enough is enough.
A fẹ́ ìlú wa padà.
A fẹ́ ìlú wa.
Tẹ́ bá ń watch wa, tẹ́ bá gbé ní Stratford, a fẹ́ ìlú wa padà. Ìlú wa máa gbà padà by force by power.
A máa gbà ìlú wa. Kò ní ta fún aláya Fúlàní. Ẹ̀yin kẹ̀ ẹ̀ ní ṣe. Gbogbo àwọn sabotua.
Àwa ti bọ́ta, àwa ti ń ṣe títí wa.
Nigeria is not working.
I'm
gonna shut it down.
Shut it down.
I said,
I will take it easy. They calm down. Calm down. We take our time. Everybody see you Stratford
live and direct. Nigeria ni wọ́n ní jẹ́ ká ṣe gbogbo kọ́tà ṣe yìí wọ́n máa fọlọ́pàá threatening uncivilized nation. Nigeria is uncivilized nation because Fulani don't want civilization. They don't want education. So what are we doing with them? An ethic that doesn't want civilization, that doesn't want education. What are we doing together? How you doing, darling? What's my idea? No. Come on, Fulani, we are coming for you. We are coming for you. We have no fear for Al-Qaeda. We have no fear for ICS. We have no fear for Boko Haram. You are chicken. We are lion waiting for you. We will hit you raw. You. We will use juju to finish you. Live and direct. Buhari ayé ìyá ẹ̀tẹ̀ ti kú. Ìwọ gan Buhari wo àwọn ọmọ ẹ máa jẹyà nǹkan tó ṣe yìí. Àwọn ọmọ tó bí anything that come out of you will suffer for your sin. Armed robber wake up. Armed robber wake up. attack politician. Group yourself in 50 and 100. Armed robber in Nigeria, wake up. Attack politicians. Attack politicians. Attack them in their domain, in their residence, in their location. Attack them in their various places that they stay. Armed robber, wake up. Group yourself in 50 and 100. Attack politician. Any part of Nigeria, armed robber, wake up. It's the consequence of their action that turn you to the armed robber. Armed robber, wake up now. Don't let them be taking you in 2 and 3 and display you on the television. No. Group yourself in 50 and 100. Attack politicians, their domain, their residence, their location, their place. Attack them. Group yourself. You will overpower their security. Group yourself in 50. You are part of our weapon. And we will talk about you. What armed robber contribute in struggle to liberate our Yorubas and Igbos. Armed robber, wake up. Don't let them be taken like a chicken again. Group yourself in 50 and 100. Attack Nigerian politicians. Attack them in their domain. Attack them in their residence. Attack them in anywhere that you attack them. Attack their children. Armed robber, harm yourself. Notorious armed robber, wake up. Attack politicians in Nigeria. Attack them. Attack them. Take what belongs to you. Our money is in their house. Your money is in their house. Attack them and take what belongs to you. Once again, notorious armed robber, wake up. Group yourself in 50 to 100. Attack politicians. Don't attack innocent people. Attack Nigerian politicians. Attack them in their various domains, their various locations, their various places. Attack them in their residence. English people, we need your help. Englishmen supporting us, fighting for Oduduwa and Biafra Nation. They are killing us in Nigeria. They are killing us in Nigeria. They are